Hello kids! We read and write, and both these activities make us bright. While reading and writing, we use many words that are so common. These words are known as sight words. Let's dive into this world of words and learn more about sight words with some examples. So, I was unwell, so I skipped the school. I am studying hard so that I make my parents proud. You are so caring. Into. The frog jumped into the pond. He dropped a pen into the bag. She is entering into the room. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. She bought an umbrella. She is an amazing dancer. Quiz time! Make the sentences with the sight words that we have learned today by using the word boy. So, the boy is studious, so he stood first in the class. Into. The boy jumped into the pool. And the boy ate an apple. Well done! I hope you enjoyed learning these sight words. Share this sight words activity with your friends.